Hello, this is Gabriel Metzger. I'm an American citizen and I've been in Thailand for about 15 years and also in Taiwan. I've been an ESL, EFL English teacher for many years and um, I enjoy it. I've worked with young learners from kindergarten to middle school to high school to adults, and I enjoy working with all different grades, working on sounds and phonics and grammar and listening and speaking skills, and um, I look forward to working with you. And I do correct, but I'm kind and patient. Thank you very much. And my name is Gabriel Metzger, and I'm an American citizen. Thank you.